Organizing your financial life doesn't require complicated spreadsheets or hours of tracking receipts. You can take complete control of your paycheck using just 3 numbers. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to calculate your personal targets, identify where your money is currently leaking, and set up an automated system that saves a portion of your income before you can even spend it. This is the 50-30-20 rule. Financial experts, and notably U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren, have recommended this specific framework for over 20 years because it is simple enough to actually stick to. To build this system today, gather 3 things right now: your most recent pay stub, your banking app, and a calculator. Step 1 is finding your true income. Look at this pay stub. We need to build your budget based on your after-tax monthly income. This is your take-home pay, not your gross salary. Let's use $5,000 a month as our baseline example. Multiply that take-home pay by 0.5. That gives you $2,500, which is the 50% limit for your needs. Needs are your non-negotiables. This category covers your rent, groceries, minimum debt payments, insurance, and utility bills. Next, multiply your take-home pay by 0.3. In this example, that allocates $1,500, or 30%, to your wants. This covers dining out, gym memberships, weekend activities, and subscriptions. Finally, multiply by 0.2. This dedicates $1,000, or 20%, to your savings and investments. This money funds your emergency account, your retirement index funds, and any extra debt payments. Add your 3 calculated numbers together. They should equal your exact monthly take-home pay. These 3 specific dollar amounts are your new fixed boundaries. They tell every dollar you earn exactly where it needs to go. Now we test reality. Open your banking app and find your 30-day spending summary. Most modern banking apps automatically categorize your transactions into a chart like this, saving you from tracking individual purchases. Look at this side-by-side comparison. You need to stack the actual spending totals from your app directly against the 3 target limits you just calculated. This immediately reveals your money leaks. If your actual spending in needs or wants exceeds those limits, you are pulling money directly away from your savings. The most common friction point happens right here: housing. If rent alone consumes nearly half your paycheck, keeping your total needs under 50% is mathematically impossible. You are not alone in this. In expensive housing markets like New York, Boston, or San Francisco, the math often breaks down. The solution is to temporarily adjust the ratio. Shift your targets to 60 for needs, 20 for wants, and 20 for savings. You could even use 70-15-15. Notice that to accommodate higher housing costs, you must pull funds directly from your wants. Cancel the subscriptions you forget to use, and cook at home 3 extra nights a week to balance the scale. This framework is a guideline meant to help you progressively organize your habits over time. Hitting exact perfection on day 1 is completely optional. Step 3 is the most vital mechanism in this system: paying yourself first. We do this by automating your 20% savings target. Navigate to the transfer screen inside your banking app. In the amount field, enter the exact dollar figure calculated for your 20% savings bucket. Before you execute the transfer, set the frequency to recurring. Then select an execution date that aligns exactly with your payday. Hit confirm and ensure you see that Transfer Scheduled success screen pop up on your device. By moving that 20% into savings the exact same day you receive your paycheck, you completely remove willpower from the equation. The money is secured before you have the chance to spend it. Your financial system is now completely built. It will run silently in the background, enforcing your boundaries and capturing your savings automatically. This chart shows the long-term compounding power of that single automation. If you invest that $1,000 savings target at a 10% average return over 30 years, it grows into over $2 million. You achieve those historical average returns by consistently directing your automated savings into broad market index funds over a long time horizon. Drop a comment below and tell me what percentage of your income you are currently saving each month. Start your system today. Keep investing, and remember that consistent action always beats perfection.